Alright, we got another Mecca Beauty Loop box. Couple days late. Usually I try and do them on the day they come out, but I've been really busy getting ready for my gig. October 12th, Crowbar, Leichhardt, if you're in Sydney. Come and watch me, unless you're only here for the Mecca stuff, in which case your ears may bleed. If you do come, definitely bring earplugs. I don't know who my audience is. Okay, so, 21st Century Girl. Cool, Mecca Beauty Loop, I'm level 3. This is the last Beauty Loop box for the year, so if you got all of them in January, we get some other gift. I don't know what it is. I think there might be other Beauty Loop bonuses. Maybe one more to come, but yeah. So cute. They've changed it. It's cute. They've done a bunch of, you know, big container things. What are they? Oh no, history of Mecca or history of beauty kinds of things, and the tins, it's cute. I get it. I'm rambling. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I haven't been sleeping well. Anyway, your beauty defining moment. As we know, beauty is constantly evolving, shifting, and reinventing. See, I think that's what this art is about, is to do with their history focus at the moment. Anyway, beauty is constantly evolving, shifting, reinventing. There are always new trends to try, new things to sell us, new icons to obsess over, new ways to express ourselves, and some moments are so iconic we'll never ever forget. It's why this month at Mecca we're celebrating 21st Century Girl and the beauty. So if you're a dude who goes to Mecca, tough luck. And well, it depends what you're into, I guess. And the beauty that defined our generation. Beauty Loop has always been our way of capturing those moments as they happen. If it's worth talking about, you can find it in your Beauty Loop box. Okay, and so I think there's like 3 different ones. There is like one that they all have though. SPF has come a long way. Formulas now feel more like skincare than sunscreen, and even help your makeup wear better. That's why we've included the latest innovation from Naked Sundays, Cabana Clear SPF 50 Serum. Hopefully it's not one of the ones that got caught up in the laboratory scandal. Yeah. SPF 50 is broad spectrum. High protection sunscreen. Sunscreen is only one form of sun protection. Avoid prolonged sun exposure and reapply as directed. Seeing as I'm part vampire, that's probably not an issue for me. Except when I, walk my dog. Okay, so that would be this one. That's the one that everyone's getting for level 3 this time. And cool, like, I will try it because I do, at the moment, the sunscreen I'm using is La Roche-Posay. I forget what it's called. Starts with an A, I think. I don't know, it feels like nothing. And if you saw the Choice did a critique of sunscreens, they had a La Roche one that was like the tinted version of what I'm using, because I don't need a tint. It'll make me look stupid. I'm too pale for that. Yeah, so I will give it a go because there are some things about it, the La Roche one, that I'm like, I don't know if it's necessarily the best thing for my skin, because like I feel like I get the mildest reaction just looking at me, although it feels fine. It feels like nothing. That's why I like it. So I'll give it a go. Skeptical because it's so hard to find a good sunscreen, and even when ones feel good, like I think the Dermalogica one felt okay, but it sort of leaks into my eyes a bit and it starts stinging after a while, and I don't think I'm the only one that experiences that. So I'll give it a go. Is it a face one? I assume it's a face one. Oh, you gotta shake it before use. Yeah, same thing with the La Roche one. You have to shake before use. Cool. We'll see how that goes. Okay, what else did I get in my one? What's this? Ooh. Hibiscus Mahajad? I don't know how you pronounce it. And I don't know how to get the camera to focus on it. No, not happening. From Maison Crevelli. Sorry if I am butchering pronunciations. Extrait de Parfum Paris. Cool. Okay. I like perfumes. I think I can already smell it a bit. And yeah, little sample ones. Cool. I am already wearing a little bit of a perfume, but I think it's faded, so how about I just... Yeah, nice. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. It's, give my nose a moment. Because I find I go nose blind to a lot of things within minutes of spraying them, which sucks, because I want to wear them for me, not for other people. I did the whole sensory therapy video. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's something nostalgic about it. I can't put my finger on what it is, but there is something, it is actually really nice. Not in the world-ending way that By the Fireplace is, but it's a nice one. Okay, what have we got? Oh, goodness. Ah! It just fell out. So we have, it's Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. Innocent volume. I don't really do a lot with mascaras, because, like, I can kind of understand what they're doing, but with the way that my eyes are folded, I haven't really worked out how to do it so that when I open my eyes as far as they go, because they do open a little bit, when I open them all the way, like, so that the mascara doesn't, like, touch the top of my eyelid and leave little speckles. I don't like that, so I don't know, maybe there's a way to, and, like, you know, all the advertising stuff on the inside. I guess I'll keep trying them. I just, like, it hasn't been a priority for me to mess with the ones that I already have from all these beauty loops, and I'm sure as hell not going to buy one. And I think, like, the birthday gifts for the coming year might, like, you know, I feel like that's, I think all of them have a mascara option for every level. But then the other things, okay, I do like that. It's not, the perfume, it's not, like, I went nose blind for a moment and then I've recovered and it's like, yeah, this is actually nice. Ooh, damn, I think they're expensive. Especially it's an extrait rather than an EDP, I think. Okay, this is like the, they used to give out so many of these bloody samples. Oh, fucking can't do it. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. They go on and on about this. Fine, I will try it. 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, sure, I'll try it. I'll give it a go. I don't know, I think when I might have tried a sample of this, and my skin was a bit like, what is this? But that was when I was first getting into skincare, and maybe my skin was a bit more, like, wary of everything, and I might have also been a bit stingy and not used enough, and sometimes when you don't use enough of these things, your face is kind of like sucks it all in and just doesn't feel right. And then one more thing. What's this? Wrinkle Defying Day Cream. Oh, I don't know. It's so it's Korres, Black Pine Primers, and a little bit of wrinkles and elastic. Oh, okay. I don't know if I'm a little bit confused by all the different languages on there. So what is this? I can't read it. Apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Okay, but, like, so is it a moisturizer? Is that what a day cream is? If you came here for beauty advice, I am not the person. I've been taking better care of my skin with all the skincare stuff, but for me it's like the ritual of it is what's fun and not necessarily the results, and, like, because my skin's fine. It's just, like, I guess I have smoothed a few things out, but that's just, like, to touch. I don't think it's changed the way I look. Yeah, I don't know. But then, so, like, did they give me 2 moisturizers? And, like, so am I meant to use this one in the day and this one in the night? Or did they just randomly shove 2 moisturizers in? I'm confused. I'm gonna have to look up what the hell a day cream is. But I assume that's what it is. Anyway, so yeah, we got 2 moisturizers. We got the dodgy mascara, we got the sun cream, and we got... This is probably the best thing for me. The perfume. I have way too many perfumes. I should probably cancel my Scent God subscription next year. But I've also been tempted to go for the premium version. But no, I have so many. Like, it's going to take me forever to use everything in this corner. Anyway, that's it. We've made it under 10 minutes. So let me go and get on with my life, recharging my microphone wireless kit. Yeah, I'm so busy at the moment. But that's the Mecca thing, because I'm trying to get them out in a timely manner. I don't know. It's, just because I can't help myself, because I'm a YouTuber and I feel like I have to do these things. It's just how my brain works. Anyway, yeah, a few more, like another week or so, once my gig's over, I'll start making proper videos again and try and catch up on everything, but I've also got a lot of like bonsai and art stuff to do, so we'll see how I go.